Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to customize the size of a QR code. Whether we are creating QR codes for business websites, posters, or personal use, this tutorial will help us adjust them perfectly for our needs. First, open your web browser and go to the website where you want to create a QR code. If you already have one, just open it. We are using qrstop.com because it is simple and free. From there, we can generate codes from links, websites, or PDFs. We can also create a plain text QR code or use phone numbers, depending on what we need. For this example, let's choose URL and select that option. We will use facebook.com as our link. From here, we can style our QR code. We can also add a logo if we want. When we are done, we just need to click Next. In this section, we will find Advanced Settings. There is a drop-down menu where we can choose the size. We can make the QR code bigger, change the DPI, or enlarge it depending on our needs. In Pixels, we can also adjust settings, add passwords, or set scan limits. This is where we will be customizing our QR code. Once we are finished, all we need to do is click Download. Then we just need to choose the file type we want, PNG, JPEG, or another format. Let's go with PNG and then click Download. This whole process helps us resize and customize QR codes without losing quality or scannability. We can adjust dimensions, improve visibility, and make our QR codes look professional. Once the download is complete, we can find our QR code saved on our computer.